In this video, we'll show you how to use cloud phones to manage your OnlyFans account. Let's go through it together. This is your dashboard, your starting point for managing your cloud phones. Multilogin provides real Android phones that run in the cloud. You can use them to manage your OnlyFans accounts, grow your audience, and keep everything organized, all from one place. Click the Create button to set up your first phone. Give your profile a name and choose how many phones you want. Each one acts as a completely separate device. Organize your profiles with tags and notes by account or content type. Now add a proxy. This gives your phone its own IP address. Select Multilogin as your proxy provider. Pick your location from the list. You can choose from over 150 cities and countries. Choose a phone brand and model. Your account will look like it's running on a regular phone. Click Create to save your setup. Press the play button to launch your cloud phone. Your cloud phone is now running. Use your mouse to tap and scroll. It works just like a real phone. Use the sidebar to upload files, adjust the screen, or access extra features whenever you need them. Open the Apps icon to access the App Store. Open the Apps icon to browse our built-in app marketplace. OnlyFans does not have a mobile app, but that's not a problem. You can open OnlyFans directly in the browser on your cloud phone. And if you want to grow your audience, just download Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, or any other platform you use. Everything is available right from our built-in app marketplace. To access OnlyFans, open the browser on your cloud phone. Go to the website and log in as you normally would. You can also use browser profiles in Multilogin. Just open the browser dashboard and create a new profile, just like you did for mobile. They work similarly, but are based on Chrome. They are also isolated and allow you to manage your accounts without the risk of restrictions. With Multilogin, you can manage OnlyFans accounts and grow your audience across social media, all from one device.